Welcome to Study Point Online. We are here with some question of a reasoning section. So here first question is Cupid Uranus. It is a then question mark. So our first group is Cupid Uranus. So what is the relation between this group? Here from analyzing the left side we can conclude that Cupid is the name of moon of Uranus. Right? So Cupid is the name of a moon of Uranus. So by the same logic, Ilsa is the name of a moon of Jupiter. So here correct answer is Jupiter. So here given option A, Jupiter. So correct answer option A, Jupiter. Now our next question is Goa Panaji. Second question mark. So our first group is Goa Panaji. So what is the relation between Goa and Panaji? So see here, Panaji is the capital of Goa. So with the same logic, Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. So Gangtok is the correct answer. Here given option B, Gangtok. Now our next question is RWKQ PUIO FCGM, then question mark. So here first group is RWKQ and PUIO. What is the relation between this group? So see here, R minus 2 P, W minus 2 U, K minus 2 I, Q minus 2 O. So with the same logic, F minus 2 D, C minus 2 A, G minus 2 E, M minus 2 K. So DAEK is the correct answer. So here given option C, DAEK. Now our next question is PO4 3 minus phosphate and second group CHO3 minus and question mark. What is the relation between these two? So the relation between the first group is PO4 3 minus is the chemical formula of phosphate. So with the same logic, CHO3 minus is the chemical formula of bicarbonate. So what is the correct answer? Bicarbonate is the correct answer. Here given option A, bicarbonate. Next, our next question is 49,7,361 question mark. So here first group given 49 and 7. What is the relation between 49 and 7? See here, 49 is the square of 7, that is 7 into 7, 49. With the same logic, 361 is the square of 19, that is 19 into 99, that is 361. So our correct answer is 19. Here given option C, 19.